Hello guys! Last year I made a Grinch, but I was inspired by Grinch, but with Grinch's hands. This time and this Christmas I will do whole Grinch and I will spend a lot of green paint today. I will be like alien. I would use green crayon to make a sketch. I need to have this kind of shape here to make it look better. I decided to do something different today. My nose will be here. This is not gonna be easy. Grinch eyes will be here near my nose because I want to create that shape of his head. This will look interesting. And now I will do the shape of the head. And this part I will leave it because I will add my hair. The idea is to cover my face like this, so I can avoid this part. Let's go to make a body. And the end, I will show just this hand. I will make a sketch in this position. My favorite part when I'm drawing with the left hand. Okay, I see the problem. I know that after I paint everything, I will not see the sketch, but I have a sketch in my mind. This is the easiest way for me. I think in this case, it's gonna be opposite. I will paint everything in black and after that I will draw here. I will paint my body first. And I know that this part will not be seen, but I just want to have a whole picture. I think I will start with the hair. For this kind of illusions, I always love to use this 1-inch brush because you can do it in one stroke, whole hand, you see? Now I'm using a darker green to make hair. After that I will mix it with this color and a little bit of white. I will repeat this all over, especially on hands. Mix it with white. Now I will use fine brush to define here. It's time for shading. I want to create layers. And I will repeat here. Now I will make edges lighter. I will do exactly the same on my arms and body. And I think I will do that like 2 hours. I think it's gonna be worth it. Well, this is the part when I always try first paint. It will be gone soon. Now take a look. I forgot that I have brush for hair, so this will be much easier. While my black paint is getting dry, I will start with the face. I will apply first bald cap like this. I will take some of my hair. Vaseline first. I don't want my hair get stick with mastics. Let's do some hair dyeing. Okay, let's start with the face. Let's make eyes first, because I want to know a shape of them so I can make eyebrows. Sketch eyebrows, the shape of eyebrows. Now I will make a curly hair. Forehead shading. I will define my face with green eyeshadow too. To make my eye deeper here, I will use black eyeshadow with green eyeshadow. Now I will use white super color to make my nose pop up. And I will use the same paint to make shades here, here. Black paint for nostrils. I'm using the same paint as base. I'm going from up to down. This will be a long day. I need to add a little bit of yellow at the end of the eyebrows. So let's do the rest of the body and we will go back to the eyes. I finished my arms. Left one is better and I don't like the right one because I was painting with my left hand. Why you don't listen to me? Well, I will keep practicing. Before I start doing my eyes, I need to add important thing. I made longer fingers for hand and I need few minutes to apply them. No, it's not like this. This, yes. And here they are. Finally, eyes. Now I will define edges with black body paint. While this is black paint getting dry, I will use dark green eyeshadow mixed with black eyeshadow to connect to these two eyes and to make Grinch is getting mad. For eyes, I will use green body paint. I think that's it. And this is a part when I need to stop talking to finish my eyes. If you like my video and I helped you a little bit, please subscribe, leave a comment, click on that little bell for notifications and enjoy creating Grinch. It's Christmas time!